Yo, what's up everybody? It's Nick with Hauler Junk Removal. Out here in beautiful North County, San Diego today. Had my coffee, already did boxing. Oh, it's about 8:30 Monday morning. Was at boxing at 5:30 to 8 o'clock. Get home, have some breakfast, have a little bit of coffee, and then go clean out the trucks today. It's gonna be a rainy day today. Rain's in our forecast. So today, just this morning, we're gonna go clean out the truck. We had a bunch of, I had a bunch of cardboard stuff all the weekends. So we gotta just dump the cardboard. So a big part of the job is recycling your items and not going to the dump with everything. That way it'll save you a lot of money. Let's see what we have. Saves you a lot of money if you have the space to hold it. And your time. So this is all what we picked up just yesterday. We did 2 loads of just cardboard. It was awesome. It was all cash money. And people pay for cardboard, especially this time of year. They're gonna have big boxes they get. They're gonna buy all those big presents at Costco. They're gonna have all that styrofoam, which is trash. But they're gonna be calling you for cardboard pickup. You get to break it all down, lay it flat, and go take it to the recycling center because they're gonna take it for free. So you just gotta take it from point A to point B and get paid. So we'll show you how we do it, what we're gonna do with our stuff. We gotta go through some of it. I think there's some foam in here, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. We're gonna run it over to the recycler and go drop it off. So stay tuned.